guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to make for you a really awesome baked ziti recipe. But I have some really big news for you first that I am so excited to share. I have a new book coming out on Amazon next Thursday. It's called She Said He. I've been working on it for a very long time. It's been a long process. And like many of the things that happened in 2020, it was delayed and all sorts of stuff have happened. So I am finally so happy to share with you that my book will be coming out next Thursday on Amazon. So after this recipe, I'm going to share a book trailer to give you a little bit more of an idea about the content of my book. But very quickly, it takes place on a college campus and is a really important story that I think needs to be told. Having said that, I'm going to be doing a college series here on Cait Straight Up, where I make some of my favorite college-style recipes, but with my own special twist and a little bit more upgraded than a microwave Hot Pocket. So we're kicking off the college series with baked ziti, so let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 375, and we're going to cook our ziti noodles as directed on the package. So just boil up your water, drop your noodles in, and they don't have to be cooked all the way because we are going to be cooking them in the ziti as well. Then you're going to take a large container of ricotta cheese and add in some other fun flavors. So here I have kind of what I like to call an Italian blend. It is garlic, onion powder, parsley, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. And we're going to just add that into our ricotta cheese with a cup of Parmesan cheese. We're then going to mix that together really nice until the spices and the Parm cheese get evenly kind of distributed through your ricotta. This does all kind of melt together, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but you don't want it to be too clumpy, in one area. After that, we're going to add about half of a cup of a shredded mozzarella to the ricotta cheese, and then stir that in as well. We're going to be adding more mozzarella, so don't worry, but we just want some in our cheese mix here. It's time to get out your casserole dish, and you're gonna need about 2 cups of a marinara sauce. So this is a homemade sauce that I made, but even if you need to use a jar, that's fine. And we're gonna put a little bit along the bottom of the casserole dish, make it a little bit messy, and dump in some noodles. So you're gonna spread out your noodles evenly and then put in some of your ricotta cheese mixture. Now again, this doesn't have to be perfect, but you do want it to be kind of even. So once you get your ricotta cheese in there, spread it out amongst your noodles and then get ready for your next layer. So then we're gonna do a little bit more of our marinara sauce and then more noodles. So it kind of all spreads out as you're putting in the layers, so you don't really have to get too fancy with that. So you're gonna dump in your second half of your ricotta cheese mixture and spread it out nice and evenly. Last step, you're gonna finish up the remainder of your noodles. Spread that out nice like that and top it with the remaining marinara sauce. So we're gonna spread that sauce over top, and then this is when we get the other cheese. This is definitely a cheesy, yummy dish. Probably not light in calories, but big in flavor and taste. So definitely like a comfort item. So just top it off with your mozzarella. So you're gonna cover your baked ziti with tin foil and bake it at 375 for 10 minutes. You're then gonna remove the tin foil and bake it for an additional 10 more minutes so your cheese can kind of get that like nice under the oven effect. And after that 20 minutes in the oven, you have yourself a delicious baked ziti. Trust me, you guys are gonna love this one. It was such a favorite of mine, and my roommates in college, she used to request it all the time. And I love you, Al. Finally put it up here. But yeah. That's it, guys. A really easy baked ziti recipe. Make sure to tune in next week, and where I'm going to release my book on Thursday and have another fun college recipe for you. I would love for you guys to get my book. I really am so proud of it. I think you would love it. And yeah, it's coming out next week. So if you feel like sticking around, we're going to put the book trailer right here for you at the end of the video. It will also be available on my channel. So check it out, guys, and make sure to subscribe and find me on Instagram. See you next time. Bye-bye.